morning, everyone. Good morning, America. Today we are going to make the banana boat. But before I start, let me introduce you to my friend Nancy. Hi, Nancy. Hi, everyone. I'm happy to see you today. Okay, let's start now. Okay, our ingredients is bananas. I'm gonna to make 2 bananas and we will decorate it. Okay, let's start.
With the following ingredients.
Let's start. Okay, here we go. First, we peel our banana. So simple. Hey, all the kids has to peel, helped by adult. Thank you for listening. Okay, here is the banana.
Cutting a banana.
Here is the banana, nice, yummy banana. And also, here is another banana for another boat. Okay. Now, people are different and different tastes. Some wants to put chocolate syrup. Some wants to put whipped cream. Some wants to put strawberry syrup. Some wants to add ice cream. Actually, I add all of this and I add cinnamon, which is very healthy. Yeah, and
Nuts.
I add granola, and I am adding to my granola raisins and coconuts and almonds. Okay, let's try this, guys. First, I'll do my banana boat. Second, I'll do my daughter banana boat.
Well, I'll
okay. I did put my bananas. I'll put
banana.
yeah. I'll add some of my granola. Here we go. Very yummy, very nice. Then some of my cinnamon. Here we go. Very yummy, very, very yummy and very, very delicious. Some chocolate syrup. Yum. Some strawberry syrup. Yummy. And my favorite whipped cream, which add flavor to everything. Here we go. Okay.
Okay, my turn.
You see, this my banana boat. Now we were gonna to make my daughter's banana boat.
So-
Let's see what she will add to it.
So first, I'm gonna add ice cream.
Okay.
Cause what's a banana boat? Well, like that, without ice cream.
Yummy.
And one last scoop.
She loves ice cream. And
Come on, don't
I
get
bet
it.
all the kids do.
Well, some kids might not, but that's all right. Next, I'm gonna add chocolate syrup. Strawberry syrup. Whipped cream. No clue how to do it.
My mom will help you.
My mom is gonna help.
Here we go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And last but not least, cinnamon.
Yummy.
Oh, I added a little much. Okay, I'm finished.
Guys, hope you like it and hope you enjoy it. And I hope you enjoy it too, honey. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.